Oh, well, um, I I recognize what you told and what you say, and I have a strong belief because I have experience with it. I was honored to guide a director of a food company, and his thought was if we achieve customer satisfaction, so do what we promised to do, and only that, um, employee satisfaction increased as well because they were all there for the customer, making healthy food in the way that they promised. They really doubled the turnover in 3 years' time, and they grow almost automatically with a very, very financial healthy organization. So it's not only for me in theory or in articles or in stories. And I work with him for 9 years now in three several companies. And we achieved twice the same result and are heading now for the third one. And therefore, I really enjoyed it to guide younger people who are studying business administration, for example, to share my knowledge about that. And what you mentioned yet was we have to crack the paradigms for managers and directors. So that's the story that I tell to my students who are 18, 19 years old, to say, well, let's focus on quality, focus on the purpose for your organization, and all the rest, it takes time and it takes a while. The only thing is crack the paradigms from your manager